Anong klaseng tatay po kayo? Tough love or pa-cool dad?
When they were younger, Matt, no? Siguro from 1 to probably 10, 11, I would always tell myself na sabi ko maging strict dad ako. Because most of my kids are girls, di ba? I have 4 girls and 1 boy. But as they grow older, you know, mawawala lahat yun eh. I don't know why, I don't know how. Well, I think I'm a cool dad now than like tough dad.
You were a tough dad before.
Well, of course, kasi nga,
Growing up.
bata pa, you know, you protect them, you tell them when the time comes, may manliligaw to. I try to do that with my eldest, si Ina, but I don't think it worked in a longer run, no? Kasi ayaw mo magrebelde lalo yung anak mo, di ba? Ayaw mong gumawa ng masama pa because you're really strict. You tend to understand where they're coming from because they have their own minds, and you tell your kids, you speak your mind, kaysa magtago sa'yo. So far, so good. I'm happy how I raised my kids, how I was with them, and I am with them. They don't hide anything from me.
Yeah.
So yun ang tingin ko, mas maganda yung may kayong relationship na you have to be open to one another.
Communication all
Communication
the
is
time.
the best, the key. It's the key. Yeah.
Si kapatid na John, of course, he has puro mga girls eh.
Yes.
Ako naman, I was gifted with 3 good-looking boys.
Yeah.
So, yung mga lalaki naman sa akin, during the earlier years, lalo-lalo na yung pag nag-aaral sila, siyempre medyo strict ako eh.
Yeah.
So, especially sa pag-aaral, grades and all. So, medyo umabot ako sa mga, may mga
Palo-palo dati.
Palo-palo.
Oo. No, I mean, normal naman yan dati, di ba?
Oo,
Yung panahon na yun.
correct. Oo.
Oo.
Kasi dahil lalaki.
Dahil lalaki.
Yun ang sinasabi.
Of course, they can handle that. Saka yun, nag-translate naman, nakita natin yun na gumanda yung mga grades. So yun, of course, mas relaxed na kami ngayon. They're big enough and it's a good thing naman. Kami ngayon, ang hinihintay namin, magkaroon sila ng anak.
Nice.
At saka, maging lolo kami.